What's up YouTube, how are you doing? And today we are doing the vending machine only challenge. Wait, hold on a second. Am I really wearing a skin from chapter 5? You're joking, bro. Hold on, I really gotta fix that. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's much better. Alright, now let's get to it. Alright, so I haven't actually put any research into this. I have no clue where there is, like, thingies, vending machines. So, I always land Shifty Shafts, normally, and Shifty Fart it has a vending machine there. But, just to make it harder, I'm just going to land in the middle of nowhere. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah, it's a bot, it's a bot, it's a bot. Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me! What the? Oh. Okay, so maybe that is not the strategy. I ain't gonna lie. I don't think we actually want to land there anymore. I'd say it's probably safer landing at my own PI. I'm pretty sure that the racetrack, that is the racetrack in season 5. I'm pretty sure that the racetrack has got, the racetrack should have a vending machine. But I can see the vending machine. It's got a green one. That's wood, yeah? Oh shit, I need a 150 wood now. $100 wood. Right, I need to get the fucking thing right now. Bro. I got the shotgun. Right, actually. Oh, it's the power plate. I found it. That's pretty cool. Oh shit. Oh no, 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 no. I'm not having this. I will not be taking this disrespect from this delinquent. 100. Shit on. And I can't take any of his loot. No, I can't afford anything. Right, I need to chop down Lonely Lodge. Like the massive building. That's where I'm gonna get loads of mats. Right. Oh, there's a minigun. At least it's not something crazy like a scar. Actually, no, scars are kind of arse in this. Oh my god. There's actually just free loot there. Tell me that's the guy that died to full damage or something. I don't know, they just left a bunch of loot here though. I can't take that medkit and it's really pissing me off. I can't take any of that. I'm holding my shotgun out. Supply drop there. There's a guy right above my head. That's low-key scary. No, I can't kill him. AR. Bro, I need to go. Oh, don't be like that. Yes! Absolutely destroyed! Right, I want to get that campfire. Yes! Bro, I need one that gives me like big pots and all that. Is that mats? Bro, I actually want to take that loot so bad. Oh, it's one tick. I need to open that supply drop. Like, if I can get mats. Bro, I need the mats. Bro, I'm gonna rotate circle. And then... Wait, is there a vending machine here? Oh, I don't know. Oh, there's a guy there. Scoped AR only though. It's really annoying. Actually, at this point, what is the point of the scope? It doesn't increase anything for me. Alright, I'm gonna box up here. Alright, so this is the only way I'm going to be able to heal. So I'm gonna stoke it. Bro, it's about to burn out. Get me to full health, please. Thank you. Right, just go. Yes, I'm going this way because I want to get some more mats. Metal is going to be big here, and so is brick, because all the good stuff in the vending machines cost metal and brick. I actually don't know how I got that guy earlier. That's a bot. Bro, I just need a headshot. Yep, get baited. Absolutely baited. Bro. I swear there used to be a vending machine here. Where is it? Because I landed Dusty a few times and I remember there being like, a vending machine here. Bro. Have I low-key just been scammed?
Is that dick good? Yes, kid.
Yes, bro. It's right here. Right here. Vending machine. Alright, box up. Let's see what it's got. Sniper, shotgun, SMG. I feel like we get the SMG and the sniper would be helpful actually. So we'll just get everything. Bro, I can't use any of this. Bro, I actually want to put this over here just because it's kind of arse. The SMG and the AR are not good. But I had to get them just because. Bro, there's a chest up here. Hopefully I can get like I don't know, some mats. Nope. Shit. Can't be taking full damage. I've got to preserve this one campfire until like the end game. Isn't there bullet drop on these snipers? Like the hunting rifles still have that crazy bullet drop. Because I remember they never used to have bullet drop, and then Epic added bullet drop, and then they didn't remove bullet drop from the snipers, like the hunting rifles. Oh, I want that blue pump and that med kit, like. Bro, I've had no shield all match. Is there a vending machine over here? Yes, there is. And what one is it? It's a gold one. I actually need this one. Gold sniper. Take that. And that shotgun's kind of arse, but I'll take it. Drop that. Drop that. It's 2 tick. Bro, I want a headshot snipe that guy, but I swear that skin's pay to win. Like, I swear it's got a smaller hitbox than all the other skins. Bro, I swear if I get scoped in on. What is this guy doing? Right, I want a headshot snipe that guy on high ground. Bro, where's this other guy? 200, get the fuck out of my game. Bro, I'm literally fearless. Don't try me. Bro, I want to headshot snipe him. Oh. Yes, I've got another campfire. But I can't use any of this, bro. Like, I want that slurp juice and that chug jug so bad. Bro, I don't want to get in the line of sight of this juice world. Go away, you don't see me, you don't see me, you don't see me, you don't see me. Yes, bro, I'm John Cena. I need to add a campfire right here. Bro, I have like max mats, this is awesome. Bro, that's so annoying. I just want to headshot snipe the juice world that's up there. Bro, other guy, you don't see me, yeah? No. I've just fumbled. Bro, I got like Chaz's favourite shotgun, bro. I don't like this shotgun. Wait, it also picks up traps. Yes, I've got traps now. No shield though. Wait, I had launch pads. No, I'm not in circle. I need to... Yes. Wait, can you hide in these hay things? If you can, then... No, cool. Someone else just used my launch pad. Right, I hope I don't get headshots right now. Nice one, dumbass. Dead. Pre-fired. Wait, I'm actually low-key crazy for that. Bro, the OG heavy shotgun's so much better than the actual heavy shotgun. The actual heavy shotgun's like more like a sniper shotgun. This is fucking crazy. I had no shield this whole match. I'm centre zone, bro. Bro, this tree's griefing. Bro, I should have just stayed over here. Bro, I'm cooked. This guy's eating. Bro, if that tree wasn't in the way, I would have killed this guy by now. Reload. No, what am I doing? Damn, my builds. This guy. Bro, if I had the shotgun out here. Yes! Oh my god! I'm so good! Yes, bro, I won without getting any shield! And vending machine loot only! Oh my god, I'm so good at the game. Bro. Oh my god, that was actually a crazy win. Oh my god. Well, thank you for watching, and that is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.